Lovelies. It is official. I have a cooking channel. This is iamLindaElaine Cooking TV. So this will be my very first recipe video, and I'm super excited because this is actually one of my favorite meals to make when I am super hungry and just want something really quick. And you know what? I actually haven't come up with a name because I called it a chickpea salad, but my sister did not like the name of that because there's actually no lettuce or any type of other greens that would be like a base of a salad. But I'm gonna call it my chickpea salad, okay? Because it's fire either way until I come up with another name. And it is gonna be absolutely amazing. All right, let's get into it.
And booyah, we have dinner, guys. It's so yummy. It's super quick. You don't have to wait for it to marinate, but trust me when I say it gets better and better with time.